Okay, everybody. So, welcome back to VLOGTINE with me, Jennifer, A Day with Jennifer. And don't forget to go down below to the links and go see Pinkee Jean and Kelz Meljoy. So I have a confession in my video taking. I've been doing this over the course of a few days, obviously prior to the day of the VLOGTINE. And somehow I deleted, I'm sorry, Auntie Jean, but I deleted the video for day 5. So tomorrow for day 6, it might have day 5 on it, but really it's day 6, not to throw you off. But Jennifer messed up. Yeah, I messed up. So I'm going to try. It is the coolest thing, and I'm so sad because it was a good video, but okay, so this is day 5 for real, and the tomorrow one is really day 6 because, excuse me, Jennifer messed up, and I thought something was wrong, and so I went back to look at the videos I've already scheduled for posting. Yeah, I messed up. I got this awesome shirt. It's a wonderful shirt. And again, you know, we got the pink and the red theme going on. So here it is. Day 5. From Pinkee Jean. It's a little souvenir, is what it said on the little package. And obviously she's in Florida now. And it's the Florida Gators. And it's a pink shirt. So I love it. Thank you, Auntie Jean. I'm sorry for my little blooper mix-up, but you guys are awesome, and you're flamazing, and everybody thinks you're flamazing. Or at least 99% of the people think you're flamazing. 1 is questionable. Just kidding. Inside joke. She knows it, and some of you do too. So anyways, okay. Well, I'll be editing a little bit of this, so anyways, again, everyone, I am so sorry. Don't know how I did it. I deleted the original video and had to make a quick one. And this is going to be a short one. And normally I would do the message, but I don't remember which message it was, and I don't want to duplicate. So it's a quick one. Yeah, I messed up, but that's okay. We're all human. And that would be the message today. We're all human. So everyone take care. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And hit the links down below to go check out what Pinkee Jean and Kelz Meljoy got for today, day 5. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.